300 billion naira. Sorry, that's not the amount for this building.
Bombastic side eye.
That is the revenue being projected to be generated this year, 2025. Short-let business alone. Now, you can join your investment with this figure by doing this set of rules. Number one, inspect this property. Number two, give me a call and secure a unit here. Now, we have 2-bedroom apartments selling right here in this property. It comes with a gym, a swimming pool, an elevator, a fully fitted kitchen, and a BQ. The BQ comes with a refrigerator and a microwave oven. I've never seen any BQ around there that has this feature. Now, short-let apartment around here can go for 250,000-300,000 naira per night, and rental income goes for 12 million naira. So these are good figures for you to boost your return on investment. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Do well to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this property. Without wasting much of your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's go and inspect your investment together. Okay guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are touring this 2-bedroom apartment right here in Lekki phase 1. It's sitting on 5 floors, and it's going to be a very good investment for you because short-let around this axis for 2-bedroom can go as high as 250,000 naira per night. And if you want to use it for rental income purposes, you can confidently rent this apartment for 12 million naira, 9 to 12 million naira thereabout, because this apartment comes with a BQ, and the BQ has a refrigerator and a microwave and has its own separate entrance. But not to worry, I'm going to show you everything about this property. So right now, let's go into the business of the day. Okay, as you can see, the property is still under construction, is 90% completed, and this right here is our car park area. So this is our car park area. It's going to extend to inside this building. We are having a carport area. So all these areas are car park area. So and also this property comes with an elevator. So let's go, let me show you where we have our elevator. So this is our elevator. It's not working at the moment. We just installed it. So this is the management office, because we have people that are going to manage this building. Okay, so right here, this is our space for our swimming pool. Over here, facing it, is where we have our gym area. This is our common gym area. I'm going to have a sit out right here. So once they are done, they are going to beautify the space and have a sit out right here. So this is our swimming pool area. It's facing our gym area. So you have all this on the ground floor. And also you have units right here as well. So this is the ground floor unit. So I'm taking you upstairs, so you see a finished 2-bedroom, the one that is finished, that has a light. So you have a view of how the unit is going to look like. So let's go upstairs. Just stay tuned, watch this video to the very end. As you can see, it has a biometric smart lock. See, a nice wooden door, lovely. Okay, so welcome to our 2-bedroom apartment. Now, this 2-bedroom is valued for 280 million naira. It comes with a governor's consent, a building approval. It comes with a gym, a swimming pool, an elevator. Its kitchen is fully fitted, and also it comes with a BQ, a lovely BQ. You are there, you will see it. It comes with a fridge and a microwave. So where I am now, it's the living area. You can see how massive it is. Very spacious, lovely. You're gonna love it. And also, this is where we have our kitchen. You can see the light is automated. As you're coming in, the light just came on by itself. So it's an automated apartment. No. So you have your kitchen, lovely kitchen island. You have your double volume sink with a lovely sanitary ware. You have your washing machine, your heat extractor. Lovely. So, and also, sorry, at least I forget. You have your double volume, double door refrigerator right there. So this is a double door refrigerator. Lovely. So all this is coming with the apartment. You have your microwave and your oven. So let me show you the boys' quarter before I go to the rooms. So this door leads you to the kitchen, balcony, and also to our BQ. So it's coming with a freezer and a microwave. You have your bathroom right here. And you know, if you're wondering, with the person from the BQ living in the BQ coming through the kitchen, no. The boys' quarter has its own entrance. So okay, so this is our room 1. Remember I said it's a 2-bedroom, so you can show them the room. Just move around. So it's all en suite. Right here you have your bathroom. You have your own veranda and your wardrobe. So let me take you to the master's bedroom. So this is our master's bed. Comes with this lovely cupboard. You have your mirror right here. So this is the bathroom. This lovely wide angle window, you can see, gives you a natural light and good ventilation. So call the number that is showing on your screen. If either you're looking an apartment for rental income or for short lets, remember I said it's been projected, the revenue that is projected to be earned, to be generated in this year 2025 is 300 billion naira. So you too can be among those that will make this revenue. So call the number that is showing on your screen. And remember, my name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. If you're coming across my channel, please do well to like, subscribe, share this video. Till I come away next time, thank you and God bless.